In primetime news this evening, living fear. Stakeholders lament impact of crime in Mandeville. More bikes than land space. Westmoreland police attempt to address a long-standing problem. And later, still at it, PNP and GLP continue to rant over Integrity Commission report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com or on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kelisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kelisha, a bond is being proposed for the international market linked to the NMIA airport. I'll have those details along with a proposal from one private sector player about how Jamaica can spur growth in the context of lower economic growth for this quarter. I'll have the details later on.
And to tell us what's being proposed in sports, here's Jordan Fort.
Well, Gio, the Reggae girls, they're going to get some valuable match practice after a period of relative inactivity since June, and a new era has begun at St. Jago for the girls' track and field program. More in Primetime Sports Friday.
And Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather reports.
Thanks, Kelisha. We have dry conditions expected across most of the area tomorrow. It's not until the start of next week that we do have an increase in clouds and thunderstorm activity across most of the island.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the ban on entertainment events in sections of Manchester in a bid to control crime?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.